Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a requested video, which is super exciting because I just love when you guys give me input on what you want to see. Last year I did a video on how to make cheap clothing look expensive, and I got a request to do a fall winter version of it with maybe a little bit warmer clothes. So now that it is approaching fall, I thought I would make this video for you guys and also update it a little bit because I have a few new kind of hacks or whatever you want to call it to make any clothing that's like super inexpensive look luxury. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first inexpensive outfit that we're going to be working with today totals at about $21. The top is from Shein and the bottoms are from H&M. So first I'm just going to put on these cute little black heels, super inexpensive as well, just from Amazon. And then I'm going to throw on my camel color waterfall coat, as well as a matching little scarf to add lots of layers. And then I always have to have pink in every one of my outfits, so I'm going to throw in my purse from Aldo that I just got, and then do a cute little bow tie in the middle to tie it all together. And there you have it, lots and lots of layers and colors, making this outfit look super sophisticated. The quickest way to cheapen any super cute look is to add wrinkles to it, and it just makes the outfit look tacky, even if it is a super expensive nice piece. This steamer I got from Bed Bath & Beyond for only like $20. It was super inexpensive and works like magic. So now that the pants are all beautiful and silky shiny like they should be, free of wrinkles, I'm just going to add a cute pair of nice white heels and then a luxury bag to the look, which is another hack, just a little one if you do happen to have a very nice luxury piece in your closet. Adding it to a cheaper outfit will really up the luxury look of it. So next we just have a pair of blue jeans and a white shirt to work with here. Super basic, super plain, but the easiest way to turn this into a showstopper outfit is just to add thigh-high boots to the look. These are my black suede ones that I got from Go Jane. I'm also going to add the layering hack to this as well as adding a luxury bag, just like the other hacks mentioned. Now this plain outfit is super transformed into something that would look super expensive and luxury. This next one is probably my favorite because I am absolutely obsessed with faux fur for the fall and winter. I get so sad whenever I can't wear it during the summer, but now that it is going into the season, I can dress up this super simple plain white dress that I got from Amazon for like $10 with my blush pink fur jacket from Miss Pap. And then I'm going to put on these white booties since it's fall and I don't want my feet to be cold. And then adding my new Aldo purse again because it matches perfectly with my fur coat. And now does this not look like the most trendy, expensive outfit that you have seen? You would never know that this dress was only $10. So this little black dress I got from Shein for $12. Adding bling to a look can just instantly make it look a lot more expensive, even though this choker right here was only $6 from AliExpress, even though it looks like $1,000,000. I am also going to include the thigh-high boots hack and the faux fur, and this outfit is complete. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of these little hacks for this fall. Maybe you're going to use a few of them, post a few Instagram pics with them. Definitely tag me if you do. Also let me know which one was your favorite outfit of the bunch, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.